Tired of Dropbox blinding you at night? Here is how to switch to dark mode in under 30 seconds. We are going to walk through signing into your account, finding the right appearance settings, and then toggling that dark mode on. It is really straightforward. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Dropbox website or open up the app on your computer. If you are using the web version, just go to Dropbox.com. If you have the desktop app installed, just launch that instead. Either way works perfectly fine for this. So now that you are on the Dropbox page, go ahead and sign into your account. Enter your email address and your password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, just go through that process like you normally would. Once you are in, you will land right on your main Dropbox dashboard. Now here is the part where we actually make the change. Look up at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture, or maybe just a little silhouette icon if you haven't added a photo yet. Click on that. A small menu will drop down with a few different options. You want to click on the one that says Settings. It might just have a gear icon next to it. And here is the really important part. Once you are in the Settings menu, you need to find the section that controls how Dropbox looks. It is usually labeled Appearance, but sometimes it might say Theme or just Dark Mode. Look through the left sidebar or the main tabs along the top until you find something that sounds like it fits. Remember, this guide was put together by someone who has tested these exact steps, so you can trust that the option is definitely there. Once you find the Appearance section, you should see a few different choices for how you want your Dropbox to look. There is usually a light mode, a dark mode, and sometimes even an option that follows your system theme automatically. You want to click on the one that says Dark Mode or Dark Theme. It is as simple as that. Now, depending on whether you are using the web version or the desktop app, you might need to confirm your choice. Some versions of Dropbox will ask you to click a Save or Apply button after you make the switch. If you see that prompt, just go ahead and click it. If not, the change might take effect immediately. Alright, so let us double check that everything worked. Take a look at your screen. The bright white background should now be a much softer, darker color. It reduces that harsh glare and makes everything feel a lot more comfortable on your eyes. Navigate around a bit to make sure the change stuck. Browse a folder or two. You will notice the difference right away. And that is really all there is to it. No complicated menus, no digging through technical settings. Just a quick toggle and you are done. Your eyes will definitely thank you, especially if you do a lot of work late at night. Thanks for following along, and I hope this makes your Dropbox experience a whole lot easier on the eyes.